Does this ever happen to you? Say goodbye to frowns and tears by playing in tune. Playing in tune is Guitar Geek commandment number 1. But what if your guitar is being fussy or you just can't quite dial it in under the pressure? No need to let that anxiety get the best of you. Today I'm going to share with you 5 guitar tuning hacks to help you get your guitar in tune consistently so you can always sound good. Guitar tuning hack number 1 is pretty easy. Use a tuner. The technology is there, it's fairly inexpensive, so please use it. It's not cheating, and there are no badges of honor being given to those who don't use a tuner. So use a tuner frequently. In fact, here's a quick pro tip. If your tuner's having a hard time reading the note, go ahead and hit the harmonic on the 12th fret, and that'll actually help the tuner pick up the note much more easily. Guitar tuning hack number 2 is if you're tuning a single string and you're feeling lost, like you can't tell you're above the note or below the note, go ahead and detune your string and start over. Think of it as recentering yourself, which actually leads me to a pro tip. When you approach the intended pitch from below, it actually leads to much easier tuning and much more precise tuning. Guitar tuning hack number 3. You can actually adjust your guitar's tuning without even touching your guitar's tuners. Let's say the string you're tuning is a little flat of the intended pitch. You can actually push on the string behind the nut to raise the pitch of the string. Conversely, if your guitar string is a little sharp of the intended pitch, you can stretch it out down here and actually bring the note a little bit lower and get it nice and in tune. Quick pro tip here, the next time you change your strings, go ahead and take a pencil and draw in on the slots of the guitar's nut. This will lubricate the guitar's nut so that the strings pass through nice and easily and that there's no binding that occurs. Guitar tuning hack number 4. If you use a capo, you absolutely must retune your guitar. Even if your guitar is in tune and the open strings sound glorious, once you place that capo on, it's going to add downward pressure to the strings and pull your strings sharp. So you must retune. And the same is true for when you remove that capo. Quick pro tip here, if you have a capo like this Elliott here that has a tension adjustment knob on it, you can actually control the amount of that downward pressure and kind of offset some of your tuning problems that you're going to have. Guitar tuning hack number 5. If you just put new strings on, they're going to take some time to settle in, so be patient and know that you're going to have to retune them pretty often. A quick tip here is that once you change new strings, you can actually stretch them out to help them settle in quicker, or what I like to do is tune them up, play a little bit harder than usual, retune them, play again, retune them. This will help them kind of break in and get into their comfort zone much quicker. So there's your tips. Bottom line, guitar tuning takes practice. Like any other skill on the guitar, it's going to take some time to get better at it. But know that every single time you tune your guitar, you're honing an essential skill that you'll need throughout your guitar journey. And one thing to keep in mind also is that guitars react to climate change. So every time you pick up your guitar, it's going to need to be tuned. Thanks for watching this lesson. Just by showing up today, you've become a better guitar player, and for that, you should pat yourself on the back. I want to know how it went, so in the comments below, please let me know, and if you have any other guitar tuning tips that you want to share with your fellow guitar geeks, you can do so there as well. If you enjoyed this lesson, you'd be a perfect fit for Tony's Acoustic Challenge. Tony's Acoustic Challenge is an acoustic guitar program like you've never seen before. Go ahead and click the link in the description below or here in the video to learn how it can take your playing to the next level. Cheers, and Guitar Geeks Unite!